Welcome, friends. First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude towards thousands of viewers of AstroSource videos. Today, in fact, I would like to share with you one of the most important time slot. You can say the golden opportunity is going to knock our door on 23rd of April. All of us know and all of us are passing through the lifetime testing phase during the past few months. Now this 23rd of April, the universe is providing a golden opportunity to all of us. Now the question becomes, in what terms? What is going to happen on 23rd of April? Primarily, I must share that on 23rd of April 2020, at about 7:50 a.m. in the morning, the new moon falls in Taurus sign and in Kritika Nakshatra. Incidentally, the Taurus sign is being managed with its lord Venus, while the lord of the Kritika Nakshatra is Sun. Therefore, the effect of both Venus and Sun will be there with the new moon emerging on 23rd of April. All of us know that when this new moon occurs after Amavasya. When the earth comes in between moon and sun, and due to the gravitational force at the peak, at the time of Amavasya, the effect of moon used to be quite significant. Here I can admit that most of us must be facing laziness, dullness from today morning itself, just like me, because I am being governed by moon as posited in the ascendant. So those individuals who are governed by moon, either by their placement in the ascendant or by Cancer as an ascendant, will certainly be facing this phase of laziness during the last one day, and it may continue up to tomorrow. The things will change dramatically on the 23rd April morning. This cycle, this new lunar cycle with new moon in Taurus sign is coming after about 1 year. Astrologers know that new moon occurs every month. That is fact. But what is special about it? The special about it this time is that this provides an opportunity to integrate self with the universal vibrations and cosmic energy. The basic slogan of this new moon on Taurus will be, more you share with others, the more you will get. As I was saying that this new moon will help us to look within ourselves and to hear our Atma, Antaratma. Basically, in nutshell, this new moon will provide us an opportunity to identify our fears and will allow us to hear them and to deal with them with confidence and with a sankalp. One thing I would like to say over here very positively and confidently, that if you will make wish, rather I will say 4 wishes on 23rd of April between 12 noon to sunset, the universal vibrations and the cosmic energy will certainly help you in manifesting your wishes over a period of 1 year, when in 2021 next time the new moon will fall in Taurus. Although today's topic is not to cover the corona effect and all these things, but in the last I can say with confidence that the position of the various celestial bodies in the solar system do indicate 3 things. Number 1, sudden demise of an important, well-known politician or head of the state in the world. He will be the person who has bad intentions to destroy the world through atomic powers. Second, from 26th of April to 2nd or 3rd of May, there is a great possibility, and the celestial bodies indicate there will be floods in various parts of the world, and there is a very strong possibility of having earthquake in the world, particularly in Asian countries. Nevertheless, in my next video, I will explain the position of celestial bodies which are or which may be instrumental for these events in the next 10 days or so. Thank you very much.